All me excited. Talk the things. So those who don't or those who are not familiar with the Jamaican talk, alright, so I don't have to tell you the history because you know it's a girl transcript clean. So me
what you feeling? What a rush flight and nearly run late.
Hi guys, welcome to this vlog. As you see in the title of it, how did we meet? I think you really want to know how Rashi and Wally got together, so you have to stay tuned for this video. So without further ado, I'm gonna get straight into it.
And before you continue this vlog, guys, as you can see, we're in a different setting. We're taking you guys in our bedroom,
our intimate space, you know.
So you know it's a story time, guys, right? Story time. And for those who are new to the channel, you're coming over here for the first time, you're new to our content, we just encourage you to press the like and subscribe button, right, so you can get content when they're new and fresh. Also, turn your post notification bell on so you're notified immediately. So this video, as Rashi said, is about how we met. Very interesting topic. We're not saying nothing more.
All me excited. Talk the things. So those who don't or those who are not familiar with the Jamaican talk, we are going to talk the things then. It means that we are going to get into the whole matter, the meat of the matter.
She's going to reveal some stuff, guys, right? She's going to, and this is the first one of our story time.
Many story times to come, right? So let's get into it. So firstly, Rashid, also known as Rashida, I grew in a house, right? I was grown with a strict mother who basically never made me do nothing outside of school and church.
She grew under the bed, guys.
Believe it or not, like I always have this image that persons thought that I was out there like me go dance or party. None of that. The closest I've been to a party before me know Jermaine was one was keeping at the back of the scheme. And my mother never allowed me to go. Me and my little cousin sneak out in the middle of the night and I peep. Them time the cartel just bust with you think it easy? We are ramp with and we are peep and see what go on. That time my mother gone her bed. But
comfortable.
Long and short, can't go nowhere unless it's church, right? So let me get right into it. So I turned 18, right? You know?
So before you go further, so alright, so she made her come in. She grew in-house. When me grew out the door.
He was a rebel from what him tell me and from what his family would relate.
You know when you try to impress, you know, a nice lady where you meet, you have to make sure you know the boy exposed and you know a lot of stuff.
You were exposed.
Right? Yeah, but you have to sell it, right? You have to sell it to her so she can look at you as that nice man who have some experience. No?
I know about that. I don't know about that one.
But first and foremost, really though, seriously, she grow in a house, guys. Don't watch how, you know, you see her hairstyle. She have a pink, purple, orange hair. Don't pay attention to that.
She gotta experiment, right?
Yeah, she grow in-house. So your girl a nice in-house girl.
Yeah, but I'll very feisty. I'll tell you off. I'm good at that.
So yeah, you're growing up house girl, reach what, 17 or 18?
We're 17, 18, almost 19. So I was in upper 6, yeah. I was in upper 6. The first real relationship I had was with Jermaine. Before that I had 2 before that was short-lived. So first I met this guy through a friend.
So hold on, before you go further, I can skip out a whole lot of things. So what about like when you grew up in the house, you were in-house, grew up as a house girl and never allowed to go on the streets and go to parties and so on. That was the case, don't it?
Yeah.
So, you didn't want a boyfriend?
Not at the time when I want a boyfriend, I was seeking a boyfriend. So that may I tell you
So
about
at what
now.
stage you started seeking a boyfriend?
At 18.
At 18. Okay.
Yeah.
Before you met me?
Yeah, before
Okay,
we met
guys,
you.
we just want to clear up that so she a look boyfriend before she know me. So it's not me bring her into the boyfriend business. Go on.
Alright, so we meet this guy named Reggie. Meet him through a friend.
No, you can't leave.
You can call him.
No, you can't leave.
Why?
Guys, me cut out that part. She a call name. You cannot call me.
Alright, so I met this guy right through a friend at high school. We were in lower 6 at the time because I was in 6th form at the time. Right? And she said she know this guy and he would have liked me. I never remember the intricacies of it. But that relationship was short-lived because this guy was like can do stuff like go out and so, and me can't go nowhere, so that
House rat.
yeah, that there's nowhere where I could go. My stepfather literally had to cuss my mother for allow me to go champs.
That's how bad it was, guys.
You understand? Alright, so my first champs I ever go was when me in a 6th form. Never ever see stadium. Never ever see skateland. And my high school was in Harford. And I don't know skateland, I don't know limelight, I don't know none of those till 6th form. Believe
Guys,
it or not.
press the like button, guys. If you're enjoying the content so far, press the like button. If you don't rush, it'll take long to get to the point, though.
Alright, let me hurry up and get to the
yeah,
point.
So, what here? How did we meet?
Alright, so I don't have to tell you the history because you know it's a girl transcript clean. So I have to tell you, alright? So I talk to this guy shortly, nothing ago. Long and short, this girl did really like the guy. So at the end of it, she just say like, me I try, you know?
Yeah,
like she just say, she liked the guy. And me I say, but you put him on to me. And basically we were just talking on the phone. We can't even go nowhere for me.
So she gave you a boyfriend
and then she take him back.
She realized that he might give you a lot of attention.
Yeah, same like me a lot.
Him.
Yeah, so she like
so
him.
That's how your boy get lucky, guys. So you see that?
No, not yet.
No, but at least you lose him.
Yes.
So him gone out the way, you know.
Yeah, so him gone. So little bit after that now when we reach 6th form, you know, meet up with some friends. Friend again put me onto somebody, you know.
That was which one though?
Somebody.
That was one of the dance?
No,
oh
same,
yes, good.
Same high school.
No name calling,
yeah,
guys.
Same high school with Jermaine, right?
Yes. So
that
you were in
one,
high school at the time?
Yeah, 6th form.
So we were both in high school and she had a friend that hooked her up with a guy from my school as well.
Right. So she had a boyfriend going
to my school,
to his school, and it was her friend's friend.
Good. So you like
so,
friend.
Yeah.
Good.
So she hooked me up, and basically that one was short-lived, right? It never gone away.
Never lasted a long time.
No, but I did get to go to champs though.
Okay.
But my mother had a condition that I only could go if I carry my little cousin. So we never gonna it never gone away.
Big up yourself, Miss Audrey. Can you give me a good wife? But anyhow, continue.
So that short-lived again. That never worked out, right? So I say, alright, better me just give up on this.
Desperate, no.
No,
I never get to share my story. But anyhow, you're one look a bit more excited still.
I was the president of the 6th Form Association.
At Holy Childhood High School.
At Holy Childhood High School, right? So at that time we were the school that we hooked up with was Woolman's High School. Now I wanted to change that because this friend that I had, her boyfriend went to Calabar High School.
Is it the same friend that hooked you? No?
That hooked me up with the guy, yes.
Okay.
Her boyfriend went to Calabar and me all about rubber lock from long time. Never know.
Even when you were repping Wilma's?
No, the school,
but not
was
you.
Our brother's school.
Good,
right?
Good,
so
good.
From ever since Early Childhood, 6th Form Association was with Woolman's High School boys.
And let me just explain this a bit so they can understand. So what they do in the high school system in Jamaica, like once you finish first form, that's the 7th grade, and then you finish high school in the 11th grade, you're approximately 16, 17 at that time. Some persons are 18. If you want to go to university or a certain type of university, you're required to do an extension of high school called the 6th form. At that level now you do like some advanced courses.
A-levels are...
A-levels advanced courses.
At that time it was CAPE.
in preparation for university. So you do that for 2 years. So you find yourself in high school between 17 and 19. So you know you're a young adult getting ready. So what happened now in the sixth form system now, there's a thing called Sixth Form Association, where you know all boys school and all girls school come together and they line and they also do certain activities
like you do charity
and
like,
so on. But sometimes we're required to go at their school, we have our meetings, we come up with our objective, we raise money and so on. It's a really good thing.
Yes,
so what happened is that, you know, Holy Childhood, St. Hugh's, Queens and so on, they pair up with all boys school, Jamaica College.
My school was an all girls school.
Calabar, you know, school that wear purple and some other schools, right? They team up together and we carry out these initiatives, right? So these charity events and so on. And we also socialize online, we keep social. So we get a chance to come together as women and boys, or boys and girls, young adults. We get to know each other. Yeah,
and really do something positive, you understand, in our community.
Yeah, so sorry for cutting you. Were saying, just wanted to explain that.
Right, so at that time now, I was eager and
So you were the president, sorry.
Yeah, I was the president
of that body.
committee, yes. So I had an opportunity to go in and speak to like the persons that are in charge, like what do I call those people now? People in the authority, to tell them
in the high school.
In the high school, to run to the principal and write letters to say, you know, I want to change from Wolmer's boys to Calabar and have to give reasons and all of this. So I have to convince my strict principal.
Because she want boyfriend. She heard that there are a lot of boys at that school.
No, I really fancied the
Calabar
school.
more.
Yeah.
Okay.
Than
so you want a boyfriend from that school?
No, I never think about just a boyfriend from the school. We wanted to associate with the school.
Alright, fine.
Right?
But you know there are just boys that attend that school and you want to associate with
it was
school.
Just boys at Wolmer's boys, it wasn't the girls.
Yeah, but you want to associate with Calabar school,
yeah.
Which is an all boys school.
But Wolmer's boys was a boys school.
Guys, she's not getting what we getting at.
Where I get that?
No, that's fine. Continue.
So them say girl a good girl and girl record clean to a school. So them say, alright, we'll give it a try. Let us see. So this one now was the vice president at his school for a sixth form association. So what happened with your sister school? Why you guys were single?
You know, we didn't have as far as I can remember, we didn't have an active sixth form association. So our year really started it. Like they paused for like a few years.
So like now,
as far as I can remember, guys.
So given that we made the projection now, we offer.
We just accepted.
Okay. So
I don't think the year before us did that at all. Or the other year.
Well, guys, it working in my favor because that's how I basically met him, right? Yeah. So peer up.
But hold on, let's fast forward a bit. So 2 schools coming together, right? You have, you know, Holy Childhood Sixth Form Association, Calabar Sixth Form. So
first time.
So only 6 farmers coming together. You know, 6 farm wear white shirt, right? So
we're the elite white of shirt, the school. Yeah, we're
green
the
and
elite,
black tie, and she's in her, of course, in her long blue tie and the cream top, right? So we come together. So she's at Calabar High School now, meeting and, you know,
saying what we're putting on the table and, you know, making decisions and so on.
Who saw who first?
Who saw who first?
Alright, let me tell you now, guys. So, I saw her. To be honest, I saw her first. I think so. I'm sure. You know why? Because at that time, still, I was a little bit perverted though, guys. Like, you know, you look... You know, young boy. I don't know a young man, say 18-year-old. So I saw her in the classroom talking and carrying on and so on. And I could see that she have a really, really good shape under the dress.
Under the big skirt?
Under the big Holy Childhood pleated skirt, I could see that she have a really nice shape. So I was looking at her, but to be honest, I was somewhat shy. My mind wasn't in that place any at all, because I'm saying that type of girl, she might not even go and be like interested in me, because I used to just talk to other type of women. You know what I'm saying? At that time she spoke really nicely. Just everything. Well groomed. Don't watch her in her pink and her orange hair. Girl grow good. So, you know, I Calabar 6 arm and I see her and I said, jeez, that girl look nice and so on. She look really, figure look good. And at that time she had really, really good hair. Her hair was like all the way down in her back and so on. So she looked like she coming from a home. And I said, jeez, the girl look nice. But to be honest, I took it off my mind completely because I'm saying, so I wouldn't get the girl in the first place. So I start look at other girls, like which ones would be the easier one. You know, as young men, you try to pray. At the ones who look like they would be the easier pick. We're not paying her any mind. And then thought no, because little did I know that she was also interested.
Yes, I'm gonna tell my friend. I have a friend, big up yourself, whatever I can call her.
No name call it, no name call it.
You know yourself. Tell her, say, you know, I like that guy there and whatever. And she
So
say,
surprised.
you like him, so why you not make him know one thing? Because, you know, the clique.
Was that L?
Yeah, it was L. Big up yourself, L. So, yeah, she say, you know, moving, but I never really tell her much. After that, I just did want to do my little own thing because you don't know if he's not gonna like you neither. You understand? So you don't really want rejection.
So you set the trap.
So, yeah, I set the trap, right? So, we were to go to a old age home, right? A golden age home. It was 1.5 acre.
Lady Moss? No?
No, it was half a tree.
Something.
Near to Crossroad, I don't remember what the name of it. So we were like to go there and just see what they were in need of so we can, you know, get toiletries, go there. We were to spend a day with them, like comb them here, offer any assistance, you know what I mean? Carry stuff that they need. So we were going there to find out, you know, from the officials, like what they needed, what the policies were and all of that, and we'll meet up at half a tree.
Before we meet up though, because she has skipped out enough things, there was a phone call. Somebody made a phone call, guys.
Yeah, I call him one night, nervous. I take a much deep breath before I call him and try to be professional, you know what I mean? But then I guess him start suspect me because
guys,
professional
after the first 2 minutes, I said, no man, how this girl had continued the conversation. Tell me, so she already told me what she need, you know, for pass on. She pass on what she need for pass on. She tell me what she need to tell me. Like, what is there to talk about? And the plan is, and you know, we're gonna do this. And I said, you know, boy, street smart. Mm-hmm. You know me, even though I'm afraid of her initially, but I realized about wait. She's trained out mad, but something fishy are going and you know, me have to seize the moment. I seize the moment and continue the conversation because I'm saying, yes, I find the right girl at the right time. Guys, may I tell you, I could hear that she was fishing like after 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes. Because we already covered what we needed to cover. And I'm saying, alright, very good, lovely. So, yeah guys, that call was, I would say, one of the best calls, if not the best call I ever received, because I find a lifetime partner from that call.
Oh my.
We've been through ups and downs, guys, but that is essentially really how. Guys, sorry about that. We were just rudely interrupted. What did I say? What were we saying?
Essentially how we met.
Yeah, because girl call and me hear girl I say, you know, I say something fishy going on. I say wait. Because I'm not growing a kind of guys. I never used to those type of girls, goody two-shoe type of girl and so on. You know, you're out there and thing. No, I'm gonna be honest. That's right. You never did fierce at that time.
You're serious, no?
Serious, but you know, so you're a good girl, you know? So yes. You don't want to come to her with no foolishness. You don't want to go to her with any nonsense. And embarrass yourself because at that time, you know, boy feels like I'm a star too. Neat and clean.
Yeah, for sure.
Flavor up high. If you want to look at a six farmer, with exemplary as it relates to attire. Clean. So you know me don't want to go and embarrass myself, you know. So me I say no, me not go talk to she. You want to look on somebody else so them eye linger. You know, look like an easier catch. Me I be honest. So if you get opportunity to talk to this girl here, so like really good guys, like it's good. Yeah, and that I said that's how really we met. We are high school lovebirds, guys.
Yes,
we meet at 6 young age. Young age.
18 years.
Yeah, guys.
old.
So next year we've been together 18 years.
So check the maths, guys.
And we don't feel old. No.
You care if you're old or people
No,
think
me
you're
not
old?
old yet. No, I soon start
You're
going to
old
bed.
from here.
Guys,
over
I soon
30.
start going to my bed. I want to be young forever. It's hard, but you know, we have to try to keep young and fresh for as long as we can.
I
But
want
guys,
to live every day to my fullest. But I want to grow old because there is blessing in being old.
yeah.
Just enjoy every
Rashi love our
stage.
consciousness.
Every
already.
stage of your life, just enjoy it.
True, but we love another few years within this region, this age group. Because there are a lot of things that we didn't do, and I would love to
Story time
allow us
and
to do it,
that,
guys.
yeah.
Story time is the first story time. We try if cover as much as we can cover, share as much as we can with you guys. Rashi give our story. My story really is just like sitting duck, hoping to find somebody nice from that Sixth Farm Association.
Yeah, but speaking of that, you had a relationship. So how that go? How that go? Me sure say I was free, single, and disengaged.
Yeah, me have my little girlfriend, guys. That's for our next story time. Me have a little girlfriend, you know. And
so Rashi take people, man.
no,
Take
who
the
just said that?
people, man.
Guys, you know it go already. You find a nice woman. Me can't show me little high school girlfriend on the bus, you know. Nice school girlfriend to see him way, but you know, that's our next story time. That's another story, guys.
So guys,
We don't plan for that one. I don't know what to say.
So we met, and there's a lot following this. Just
Well,
continue.
pajama and
Tell me if you like
problem.
what we said in the video. Are you really interested in us like that?
Press the like button,
dash
guys.
it out. I'm not
You know,
really
say me
interested
see
in
somebody
it.
I watch a video and not press like, guys, go ahead and press the like button, right? So the video can get out there, and you know we'll be sharing our true love story. None of us perfect, you know. We're together as a couple. We have done things in the past that you know we would have done better. Looking back,
A lot
with
of
age and
stuff.
experience and so on, and we're still growing. We're still making mistakes, and we're still trying to improve on whatever we have here. And whatever we're just doing in general as parents, you know, hopefully.
But guys, I must share something in the How We Met video, which is this video.
Yeah,
You know
what's
that when I was younger,
Oh, you always pray.
say
Me too.
no, you not pray.
What do you mean, me not pray?
I pray the prayer. The
Guys.
prayer. No. Guys, some things where you pray for can really manifest. I prayed that I had a boyfriend from high school. I always watch the movies them I show girl with them high school boyfriend.
Yeah.
I always wish me have that relationship.
Yeah,
I
but-
swear.
But how you know say me not pray say me have a high school?
Can you never tell me that?
But it could have mean say you just a find out no.
You did pray about that?
Guys, I pray as well. That
No, not say you pray. You pray say you'd find
No,
somebody from
no.
high. You see me I tell you? I
don't
prayed
pray.
to have a high school boyfriend and it manifests. Me can't believe it. I would have it no other way. He miserable sometime, you know, and cuss me out. But
so you don't cuss me out too?
literally,
Guys, you're more
like,
miserable than me, guys.
me not see myself with nobody else.
Who know her? Oh my.
Say,
Oh my. You have to
no matter
run go
how me
hide. Even I stand up on my 2 feet. Guys.
Yeah, me disgusting, you know. God know
No,
me.
you're not.
Me have disgusting behaviors.
She's
but
just rough around the edges, guys. She not played people.
guys
She not
don't need
skin
to know
teeth.
more about me, so I was grown. No?
She not skin teeth. Trust me. Sometimes when we leave on the road, my face say, yo, go easy. You know? Nobody can play with her, guys. Tough cooking.
Guys, me had to grow like that. You know, my father
Tough
he not
cookie.
play with people
Tough,
who know
tough.
no. So
Tough,
some
tough,
of that
tough,
rub
tough,
off
tough.
on me.
But guys,
Yeah.
hope you like the content, you know. That's how we met. We met in high school, you know, high school lovebirds. And hopefully, yeah, because it look like it want to stop a while ago. The camera look like it want to give it trouble. No sabotage around here. Yeah, that's how we met, guys. As you can see, we come out now matching, you know, shirt, Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry.
We
This
met
was
from-
our era.
This is our era, guys. So just press the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned to story time number 2. But we did a story time initially. Was that classified as a story time? How we came to Canada?
No, that's a Canada vlog. This is about us.
That's a Canada vlog.
This is getting to know us. And we have more where that came from. I'm gonna be rolling them out, so you have to stay tuned. But you say if I'm not press up the like button,
yeah guys.
I'm not telling you nothing.
One of the videos go out there guys, and we can big up, you know, initial subscribers, and you know, just feel good that the channel is growing and the community is growing.
And those who know us from high school, just comment below. Say, yeah, me know them from high school. Yeah.
But the videos have to get out there so persons can see it. So,
don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
That's Rashi
and
special.
leave a comment in the comment section. Say, big up Rashi. What are people them
big up Rashi straight, guys.
Big up all of the youth them from Calabar and all of the girls them from Holy Child High School. After the battle, the reward.
That's all met, guys. Stay tuned for the next vlog. Hope you enjoyed. Alright, we're out. It's late at night and we came in from work and we need to get some sleep.
Yes.
Alright.
See you in the next video. Bye guys.
Big up on yourself, guys.